Welcome to my YouTube channel 3D Art and Craft. Today I will show you another exercise in Solidworks of sheet metal and many more features like fold and unfold. Many more things. Unfold. If you unfold, select this one and unfold. See, now it's unfold, and if you again fold it, so you take fold and select and collect all things and apply. See, now it's fold. So let's start. This is the home screen of Solidworks software. So first you have to go file and take a new option, and after that you take a part and apply on OK. Then you have to choose sheet metal, and after that you can take any plane. I take a right plane and sketch. Okay. After that I take a circle and draw a circle from origin point. Then I put a smart dimension of the circle. This is 88 point something. I'll keep it 100 mm. Okay. Again I take a line. I take a center line and draw a center line and make it vertical. Again I take a line and start to draw a line. Okay, that's fine. Again I take a fillet and make a sketch fillet and select the corner object and make fillet angle 120 mm. Okay. Now I take a trim entities. I want to remove this other part, so now I trim this one. Okay. Again I take a mirror entities and select the whole object and mirror about this axis. See. Now our 2D design is complete. Now I convert into 3D. So again I take a here sheet metal option, and here I use base planes. So I take a base planes. See. Now it's convert 3D. I'll keep the length 110 mm. 10 mm and thickness, get it 10 mm. 10 mm. Then okay. See. Then I take some background color, I keep it white and apply some color. Apply here yellow color. Now I tell you how to unfold it. So I take a unfold option and select the whole parts and apply. See, now it's unfold. Again I sketch this one, so make it normal. First I take a center line, and again I take another center line from midpoint. Now I draw circle. Again I take a straight slot. Again I take a mirror and make mirror all objects about this axis. Now it's mirror. Again apply OK. Again I go to features and I want to remove this material, so I take here extruded cut and apply here in direction through wall and apply OK. See. Also you can change color. That's fine. Okay. Now I make it to fold. So again I take a fold command and select all. See, now it's fold. And if you want to again unfold, so you have to choose unfold command and select one and select all object and apply. See, now it's unfold. So you can, in this video you can learn about sheet metal like base planes, fold and unfold command. I hope all of you enjoy my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for next interesting video in Solidworks. Thanks for watching my video.